How to fix video not playing on X Twitter. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. So, first step, what you have to do is ensure that you are connected to a stable Wi Fi network or a strong data network. Then, after the second method, what you have to do is try restarting the application. And the third thing that you have to do is try to restarting your device. After that, go to the Play Store and search for Twitter app and check for any updates available. If any updates are available, then make sure to update the app first. Then after, go to the Twitter application, tap and hold it for some times and then tap on app information. Tap on force stop. Tap on clear data, clear cache, clear all data, and then allow all the app permissions. After that, try to watch videos and hope after following all these steps your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.